If you have both a Facebook and Instagram page for your business, the Business Suite by Meta is a must-have app. With this app, you can actually manage both your business Facebook and Instagram page. Yeah! You can easily create posts for both platforms, read the latest recommendations that Meta has for you, get a count of scheduled posts that you have that will be posting soon, or even take a look at how your current posts are actually doing. Creating a post using Business Suite is just as easy as creating a post from the native Facebook and Instagram app. You have the option to post a text post, post a reel, post a photo, post a story, create an ad, or even go live, even though that's only Facebook only. In this instance, we're going to want to post a photo because Instagram requires photos. From here, everything should look familiar. You are presented with your gallery on your phone. You can choose a photo that you actually want to post on both Instagram and Facebook and hit next. As you can see, I actually have the icon that shows that I will be posting to my business Facebook page and my Instagram page. And the great thing too is we can actually add hashtags to both just from this same post. Hashtags help your post to be seen by a target audience that may not be following your business now. You're able to create a group of similar hashtags that can be used in a post, or pick hashtags individually to add to your post. Not sure if a hashtag exists? Well, just keep typing and the app will automatically start auto-populating hashtags from your input. The app will not only tell you if the hashtag exists on Facebook or Instagram, but it'll also give you the average daily post to that hashtag too. If you found a hashtag that you like, you can actually bookmark it so you can quickly find it in the future for a future post. Once all hashtags have been selected, hit the add button to add the hashtags to the post. With all hashtags added, click next, and then we're presented with 3 options that we can use to publish our post. We could either publish our post now, save it as a draft, or schedule it later. And that's what we want to do, schedule it later. When you select schedule later, you're immediately presented with a window that asks you what day and time would you like to schedule the post. Click on the day and you're presented with a calendar that will allow you to pick the day that you would like this post to actually post. Then click on the time and you're able to actually select the hour and the minute that you want your post to actually post. If all looks good, click schedule to save the date and time. You now have the opportunity to review your entire post. And if everything looks good, you can actually hit schedule and your post will actually be posted at the date and time that you selected. I hope you found this video helpful and you subscribe and follow my channel to get more real world tips